Get ready for run and gun shooting and unmatched versatility with the Benro S-Pro Connect Monopod. Featuring uncompromising performance, this monopod is compact, portable, and a versatile tool for videographers on the go. Constructed with high-strength aluminum, its stability and support is second to none. This 4-section monopod utilizes adjustable high-grade reinforced flip locks for drastically increased longevity. And for even more versatility, you can convert your monopod to a low-angle tripod. Simply pull down on the lock sleeve, rotate counterclockwise, and pull to detach. Repeat this step with the other lock sleeve. Now combine the head with the support stand and rotate clockwise to secure. The adjustable support stand features 3-position leg angle adjustment locks, with each leg able to be positioned individually. After you're done shooting, the legs can be reverse folded, making it easy for carrying or storage. The support stand also has a built-in leveling ball with lock knob for dynamic movements, or to level out your shot. When shooting in low angle mode, you can utilize the 90-degree notch for a vertical orientation, essential when shooting for mobile applications. By removing the micro support stand along with the attached rubber foot, you can reattach the rubber foot to the monopod for conversion to a standard monopod. Each kit is coupled with an S-Pro head, providing you with uncompromising performance. Supporting up to 13.2 pounds, the S6 Pro head features a continual fluid drag control, coupled with a 6-step counterbalance, allowing you to capture smooth pans and tilts. At one size smaller, the S4 Pro head supports up to 8.8 pounds, featuring 360-degree panning and dynamic tilt movement. By engaging the additional counterbalance spring from the back of the head, you can add even more precision to your shots. The S-Pro heads feature a pan arm that is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side. An integrated bubble level adds even more precision to your shots. With its CNC machined quick release plate system, an included quarter 20, and 3/8-16 camera screws with built-in storage, mounting and removing of your camera has never been easier. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. Mounting threads on each side of the heads allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. The included wrist strap provides convenient, secure handling. The padded grip on the leg provides comfortable, positive handling at all times. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. Check out the rest of the S-Pro series heads and kits if you're looking for even more payload capacity and versatility. Spend less time setting up and more time shooting with the compact and versatile Benro S-Pro Connect Monopod.